Best website builders. A website builder is a user-friendly tool for creating websites without coding. It lets you design by selecting templates and adding content using drag and drop. Check out the industry-leading website builders in the market. Hostinger website builder, best for starters. Hostinger provides a user-friendly website builder tool for creating customized websites without coding knowledge. Choose from templates, add content, and enjoy mobile optimization for a professional online presence. Hostinger's website builder provides a user-friendly interface, a variety of templates, drag and drop functionality, mobile optimization, and an affordable solution for creating professional websites without. Visit Hostinger. Network Solutions, best for companies. If you're a business owner who wants to make a website that looks professional and caters to your customers' needs, Network Solutions can help you with that. If you're already using Network Solutions for your website domains and you want to create a new website for one or more of your domains while keeping everything organized in one place, Network Solutions has the solution for you. Go to website. Bluehost Website Builder, a website made for you. Let Bluehost's experts design your site, so you can focus on what matters most. Bluehost's experts will build unique, effective websites based on your specifications. Website design doesn't have to be a time-consuming hassle. Let our experts build the website you'll be proud to share. Visit Bluehost. Site 123 Website Builder, best for entrepreneurs. Site 123 is the simplest and free way to build a website. Start making your professional website today. It's the easiest free website builder available, so go ahead and create the website you've been wanting. Visit Site 123. Site 123 stands out as the most user-friendly and simple website builder out there. Site 123 takes care of all aspects, including the structure of your website. GoDaddy Website Builder, best for online stores. Make a great website for free with GoDaddy's Website Builder. Use simple mobile-ready designs without needing tech skills. Go to GoDaddy. GoDaddy has solutions that make creating a website fast and easy. Compare GoDaddy's solution to create your own site and grow your e-commerce business. Webnode Website Builder, best for coaches. Create your own website for free. With Webnode, you can easily make a fantastic website in minutes. Join our 45 million users and build your own website. Go to Webnode. Website builders are especially useful for quickly launching personal blogs, portfolios, online stores, and small business websites without the need for advanced coding skills or hiring a professional web developer. Sam Robbins, Sales Manager. Contact us. Do you need web hosting to start your website? Then contact us. Don't lose the chance to learn about web hosting services, email marketing and financing. Leave your message in the box. We will contact you as fast as we can.